drive, center field. Mullins back, turning, looking, see ya! A long home run for Judge. And the Yankees lead 1-0. His first homer of the season.
I would classify that as leaving the yard. That was out near the batter's eye. That's well over 400 feet.
Official measurement, 412 feet.
That's all?
That's what they say.
Oh, my goodness. When it got to 412, it still had giddy up on it.
Crack, center field and deep. Going back Mullins, track, wall, see ya! Another home run for Judge. This one a two-run shot. 3-1 Yankees.
Judge picking on center field tonight. Another no-doubter. Man, you could tell by the sound that that was not coming back.
Voit takes a strike.
Bundy knew it. Severino knew it.